The escalating global environmental crisis demand the evaluation of every aspect of human consumption and production. Among the most precise and seemingly unconscious contributors to the crisis in the environmental single-use plastic bag. For decades, its ubiquitous presence has masked a devastating ecological footprint. In response, the imperative to create eco-friendly bag design has emerged, translating their corporate social responsibility to become a fundamental pillar of sustainability, economic foresight, and the cultivation of globally responsible ethos. This essay will delve into a profound importance of this design shift, exploring its multifaceted benefits for environment, economy, and society while acknowledging the inherent challenges and underscoring its pivotal role in for bringing more sustainable future. The environmental devastation brought by traditional plastic bags is undeniable and fledgling, forming the foundational argument for the urgent options of eco-friendly alternatives, primarily delivered from petroleum, a finite fossil fuel. The production of plastic bags initiates a destructive chain for resource extraction toward energy-intensive manufacturing, to their eventual prolonged existence in the environment. Billions of these bags are produced annually with staggering proportion destined for landfills, where their disconsumption can span hundreds to thousands of years. This longevity exacerbates the global waste crisis, consuming valuable land and contributing to the insidious problem of leachate, toxic liquids, and sleep from landfills contaminating soil and groundwater. Beyond land-based pollution, the oceanic impact of plastic bag is particularly dire. Discarded bags frequently find their way to rivers and ultimately the seas, forming the graves of marine debris. Hereby pose a deadly threat to marine life. Sea turtle mistake floating plastic bags for jellyfish, leading a fatal ingression, while countless birds, fish, and marine mammals suffer from entanglement, suffocation, or starvation after ingesting plastic fragments. The problem is further compounded as these plastics gradually break down into microscopic particles that permeate entire ecosystems, contaminating water sources, agricultural lands, and ultimately entire the human food chain. The production process itself contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, exacerbating climate change, while the post-consumer fate of these bags only amplifies environmental degeneration. In contrast, genuinely eco-friendly designs aim to disrupt this destructive cycle at every stage, offering a holistic solution to a perceived problem. The essence of eco-friendly bag design lies in consequences and deliberate approach to material selection, ensuring that every component contributes positively to the planet's health. Foremost among these considerations is the embrace of natural fibers, materials such as jute, often held as a golden fiber, boast inherent biodegradability, impressive durability, and rustic aesthetic. Its cultivation typically requires minimal water and pesticides, positioning is as highly sustainable choice. Similarly, hemp and linen offer robust renewable alternatives with low environmental footprints. Cotton, particularly the organic cotton, avoids the detrimental use of synthetic fertilizer and harmful pesticides associated with conventional cotton farming, thereby reducing water pollution and promoting healthier soil. The design process must also critically evaluate the use of dyes and finishes, opting for non-toxic, low-impact alternatives, prevent chemical runoff, and ensure the bag's environmental integrity throughout its life cycle. However, material choice alone in insufficient durability, reusability are paramount. An eco-friendly bag that quickly falls apart offers little advantage over a disposable one, as its environmental footprint from production would not be offset by extended use. Thus, design must prioritize robust construction, reinforced handles, and high-quality stitching to ensure longevity. Features was washability, enhance hygiene, and extend the bag's lifespan, while a ergonomic design improve user comfort, encouraging consistent reuse. This emphasis durability is not merely a functional requirement. It is a pedagogical one, stably influencing consumer habits and fostering a shift from disposable mindset to one of the consequences reuse. The longer a bag is used, the greater its positive environmental impact, making the initial investment in its production worthwhile. The importance of creating eco-friendly bag designs cannot be overstated in that contemporary global context. Far from being niche concern, it is a multifaceted imperative that addresses critical environmental degeneration, unlocks significant economic benefits, and catalyzes a much needed cultural paradigm shift towards greater sustainability. By prioritizing responsible material sourcing, emphasizing durability and sustainability, reusability, and meticulously considering end of life scenarios, designers hold the power to transform a seemingly simple commodity into a powerful tool for environmental conservation. While challenges persist in terms of consumer behavior and infrastructure, the collective commitment of designers, business, consumers, and policymakers of championing these vital products is essential. Eco-friendly bag design is not merely about carrying possessions, it is about carrying the torch for a healthier, more resilient, and ultimately more sustainable future for all. Socially and culturally, a widespread adoption of eco-friendly bag plays a vital role in raising public awareness about environmental issues. Is reusable bag serves a tangible reminder of the need to reduce waste and protect natural resources. This constant interaction contributes to environmental education, safety, and encouraging individuals to consider life cycle impact of their purchasing decisions. It fosters a collective sense of responsibility, uniting consumers, business, and policymakers in a shared endeavor towards sustainability. This cultural shift is crucial for denormalizing the responsible culture that has prevailed for decades, promoting a broader evolution of consumption patterns and promoting a more useful relationship with the planet. The demand for the sustainable bags also spurs continuous innovation in materials science, manufacturing process, and design methodologies, purchasing boundaries of what is possible in sustainable product development.